Hello friends, it's BB Realty and Auctions again. We are shooting a video today for our HVAC and plumbing auction that is going to be on the 7th. We're going to do that. Preview is at 5 o'clock. The gates will open at 5 o'clock, and then we have a 5:30 start. Still a little messy in here at the auction house here in Independence, but we're getting it together. So just want to give you a quick video and a heads up that this auction is on the 7th of April. If you need us, give us a call, 816-820-1124. Honestly, I think we stopped counting at about 700 to 800 boxes of new in-box parts. This is a liquidation of a company that went out of business, an HVAC, a huge HVAC and plumbing business that went out of business. And we've got parts from there's GE, Frigidaire, Samsung. There's just so many parts. It's new in box. So like for instance, if you're an eBay reseller or you're into HVAC and plumbing stuff, either or, it doesn't matter because this is new in box stuff. So if you want some of that new in box stuff that we got, come on out Monday on the 7th at 5:30. The gates open at 5 for the preview, but like I said, we've got new in box parts shipped from FedEx ground and from UPS from all over the country. There's so many new in box parts. I think we stopped counting at 700 or 800. Massive boxes, small boxes. Like I said, there's just Train and GE, so many. There's stuff from Supply House, Granger, and all kinds of tools and stuff everywhere as well. So if you want some new in box items, or if you just want some tools, definitely come on out. We've got all kinds of stuff out here up for auction. Typically we do a Sunday, but this is going to be a Monday evening. We're still bringing stuff in off of the trailer. We've got all kinds of stuff here that's HVAC and plumbing stuff just about everywhere. Multi-tools, we've got Milwaukee tools, we've got rotor rooters, big and small, just all kinds of really awesome stuff out here. We've got chargers, pry bars, Milwaukee everything. Show you a little bit more. Yeah, I mean, we just have the boxes are everywhere. All the parts new in box, Whirlpool, Kenmore, Frigidaire, Samsung. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. I like I said, 700 to 800, and we stopped count. We have torch sets. We have, I think, 8 pack outs, 8 rigid pack outs, which those are pictured on the website there. If you need us for any reason, give us a call, 816-820-1124. We've also got storage containers. These are storage lockers, but we have storage containers that will be coming over. We have 6x19 or 6x20 and then 6x15s. We're tarping everything down because it's supposed to rain this weekend, but I promise under all these tarps we have all kinds of stuff. We've got Freon, we've got tanks, we've got pipe, we've got all kinds of, we've got scrap, we've got copper, Still bringing stuff in off the trailer, but we've got stuff everywhere. The rigid packouts are being tarped up today as we speak, and other HVAC stuff, but I'll show you a little bit here. I know we've got pictures online, but we've got all the rigid pack outs. I think we've got 7 of them, 4 or 5 deep, all kinds of items here. So if you need us, give us a call, 816-820-1124. Hopefully you guys will come on out. If, like I said, if you're an eBay shopper or just need some HVAC or plumbing parts, give us a call, 816-820-1124, and we'll talk to you about this auction. Or you can come Monday night, April 7th, 5 o'clock. The gates will open for the preview, and then 5:30 start. And we'll have all these items up for auction. And like I said, we've got tools everywhere. Husky, Black & Decker, Milwaukee, you name it. We've got tool packs. I think we got about 10 of these packs for tools here. And I think we've got about 10 of these to keep all your tools in there. So we've got that. So come on out if you need some HVAC or plumbing parts, or you want to sell some stuff on eBay. We'll sell you some stuff. AuctionCompanyKC.com. That's AuctionCompanyKC.com. You can see us on Auction Zip, Show Me Auctions, KansasAuctions.net, and so many more places. You can see us, AuctionCompanyKC.com. We'll see you again real soon. And don't forget about our other auctions. Our online auction is ending Thursday evening. So don't forget about that Bates City online auction right there. So I think, like I said, we stopped counting at about 700 or 800 parts. If you need some parts, get on out here Monday night, AuctionCompanyKC.com. And again, if you need an auction, or if you need an estate sale or an online auction, please give us a call, 816-820-1124. We'd be happy to help you. Thank you guys, and have a good day.